Alright, so welcome back everybody. Let's do some updates for June DeFi crypto space. Now I'm going to chat about a lot of passive platforms. Stay tuned, take some coffee, tea, wherever you drink, beer, wherever you want, and let's go on. Now before we go on, don't forget, just disclaimer, everything what I'm saying in this video is only my personal opinion. Please don't put more money you can afford to lose. This is crypto and you can lose everything, okay? It's a high risk. Please do your own research. This is not financial advice. Okay, so let's go on. If you see the crypto market at the moment when I'm doing this video, the Bitcoin is at 26,700, so it's taking a little dip. Ethereum going down, you can see is crashing down. The only thing what is not crashing, if you go and see, is one of my top favorite. It's called Elephant Money. So this is becoming my top favorite. You can see that the price is 1% up. Everything crashing down, this thing is going up. If you go in 1 year chart, you will see that the chart is going up and up and up and up. I was waiting and everybody waiting for some dip, and I don't think that's coming anytime soon. Not financial advice. I did a video last time a few days ago that I sold one third of my Bitcoin to get more Elephant Money token, but I believe I'm going to sell a little bit more so I can have half of my Bitcoin. Again, I don't have one Bitcoin, not even half of Bitcoin. I just have a little bit Bitcoin, 0.0 something, you know, but that's because I'm just a normal person like you. Don't think the YouTubers have millions and millions of Bitcoin. It's just 0.00 something. All right, so let's go on. Okay, so Elephant Money. If you go there, you will see that Elephant Money, we talk about futures, what is ROI up, but it have different way of working, an Elephant token right there. Now, very important, if you go to, there we go, to June Analytics, if you go to futures, you will see that the contract is growing up more and more and more. That's crazy, guys. Every day you have 47,000 in, 30,000 in, 10,000 out, 25,000 in, 5,000 out. What was yesterday? 8,000 in, 2,000 out, and today is 8,000 in, 2,000.5 out at this moment. Okay, so every time the green is more than the red one. So have different tokenomics, how it's working. Go and watch my AMA with SK Crypto K, where he explained everything in details, how it's working, the futures and Elephant Money. In the next 2 weeks, we're going to have also second AMA where he's going to explain for farms and trunk. Okay, next one. It's a new platform what's coming. It's called Pulse Rate. I have a couple of whitelist spots. If you want to get some whitelist spots, contact me on my Telegram group. I have a couple of more left, 1 or 2. That's about it. Now, this is Tom Fork on Pulse Chain. It's not even alive yet. It's not launched yet. If you're going to join the pre-sale, it's already filled. However, I have a couple of spots left. If you want some of them, let me know. If you don't know how to play Tom Fork, maybe do some research, but it's a high risk, high return. Okay, me and some of my admins, we're going to ape together because I don't have time to be on my computer in the next few hours when it's launched, but it's good to be there because the price can go skyrocket, the price can crash, the price can go again up and down. Okay, next one, I want to do updates. The new platform is called Verse. Okay, so this one I'm going to get registered today. I'm going to make full video probably tomorrow. This is a passive platform where you're making money around up to 10-15% a month. Okay, all it's forex trading. They have a real traders. They're going to show real trades. Okay, so this is only around 10-15 days old. I like trading platforms where they're showing everything, and hopefully they're going to be in green more than the red. Okay, but I'm going to do more detailed video tomorrow or the day after. Okay, so if you want some information, let me know in my Telegram and I can give you more details. I'm still doing some research right here, but it sounds very interesting and promising. Again, nothing is promising in crypto. Now, next one I want to mention is ARK. So the price of ARK is 126 at the moment and still going down. We have liquidity of 2,000 and 18,000 and ILC reserve $3,333. Now, they have a lot of updates what's coming. This is the foundation news right there, and they have a lot of updates what they coming. Okay, so go and read them. Okay, they trying to take actions for the price to doesn't for the bad actors to be punished and for the good actors to be basically rewarded. Okay, so it's very interesting. Go and read it. It's going to take me full video. For this one I need to do full video for the new updates what they have. So that's our platform at the moment, still paying, still is there and still doing okay. However, the price is down from the $5.70 what was a month ago. Okay, next one, Drip. Finally the Drip new eye is here. Long waiting, around 18 months. Okay, 18 months we wait for this one and it's here, and I can say it's good looking new website. Okay, you have a lot of information here. The DDD, okay, it's coming tomorrow. Drip Drown Draw, that's coming tomorrow. But if you go to the Drip network, is right here. I'm not doing a lot of airdrops because my second account was hacked and I'm not to do allowed anything over there. Well, it's not fun at all. Okay, so that's Drip. Well done for the new updates. The price holding around 30 cents, holding strong for now. Let's see if the DDD tomorrow, what's supposed to launch, is going to make to bring any price action or not. Some people prediction a couple of dollars, some people predicting $5-10. I think if this double the price, happy days. If not, it is what it is. Okay, next one, Green Figures. Green Figures, it's come out last week. Okay, so this is week number 1. I did invest just a little bit money. However, I want to invest a little bit more. So how this is working is BUSD, if I'm not mistaken, or USD, I think it was BUSD on Binance chain, and it's also with trading, forex trading, Monday till Friday. How much we're going to earn, nobody know, but the Dev is one of the best. He find a good trader, he makes some agreement and he's trading for us. Now Green, it's coming from George, okay, who is well known in the DeFi space. I like this platform. It's don't expect you're going to earn 1-3% a day, but hopefully we can earn around 3-5% a week. I prefer low but steady. You can also unstake your money, but you need to request that, and it's going to take around 28 days at this time when I'm doing this video if you request to get your money back. However, let's see how it's going to work. I hope this is going to be a long hold together with the worst corp. Sorry, let's see how this is going to perform. It's very new platform. They also going to, they have like 3-4 traders around the world, but let's see. Hey, traders not always win. The most important is to have more green days than red days. Now next one I want to mention is 9 till 5. So 9 till 5 also they having this is what, 3rd and 4 weeks. Okay, I put some money there, I did compound, I'm taking some profits now, put on and put back. Now I believe the ROI is, I'm not connected, I think the ROI is around at the moment, let me just get in, 0.6% a day. What they trying to make 0 Ponzinomic is going to take some time for that, but that's what they trying to do. Okay, it's not loading up. There we go, just load up, 0.6% a day. They dropped yesterday, total deposit 329,000. Again, these guys is they trying to put some money right here to these couple of traders, forex, some DeFi project, some also different trading. So they trying to make some money to make some passive income from all these deposits and to pay everybody back. So now at the moment it's 0.6% a day. Okay, that's around 3.57 days, 4.2% at the week, what is not bad at all. So this was up to 2% a day, but now I think what they're trying to do is they're trying to make as stable as they can. Okay, now last one I want to mention is this bad boy, Wolf Capital. So Wolf Capital, they coming tomorrow, Tuesday, the 6/6 at around 6 p.m. Oh yeah, 6 p.m. UTC time with their NFT. I'm going to get one NFT. I'm going to think between tier 2 or maybe tier 3 because this is the long waiting NFT. These guys, they doing absolutely amazing so far. 6.4 million total invested, over 2,000, almost 2,300 investors and 153 wall bucks. At the moment they're paying 1.5% a day. It's not 100% Ponzi free. Okay, they have a lot of things going on. They have like a casino coming up, they have a debit card coming up, they have a lot of things going on into the pipeline. So how they're going to perform, I don't know, but we're going to find out together. I really hope this can be a big game change for everybody in the DeFi space if they bring the copy trading with the NFT and everything what they're saying by the end of the year. I think can be a big 180 turn in all the DeFi space, because all of us, we've been burned and burned and burned. The latest burn was with Solar Road and so on, and I don't want to mention because I did invest a little bit more than I supposed to, and 2 days after that gone. Okay, so just don't put more money you can afford to lose, guys, because it's not fun at all when you lose money. Okay, it's not fun at all. PGV return, by the way, just to mention PGV, we still waiting returns after 5 months. They saying they just killing us mentally. I just give up 3-4 weeks ago, and now they show your money on your dashboard, you know, after you show your tickets, and they saying every day they're going to give us money back, and this happening for the last 5 months. Is they need to give the money back, or they just need to kill this thing, okay, because it's not fun at all. All right, so that's about it. Again, if you never watch any of my video, more you give, more you receive, please watch. I'm going to do also AMA with Scott the Investor on Thursday. I think this will be 8th of this month. Go and watch. I'm going to post in my Telegram group more details about that. Watch some of my video, more you give, more you receive. Let me know what you think about these platforms. Sorry if I miss any platforms, but at the moment, this is where I am invested. I have few other platforms like, oh, by the way, I forget to mention Delicium. Delicium also has been doing an absolutely amazing, I don't know what's the price today, 12.7 cents. It was around 10 cents for weeks and weeks, and went up, and now it's keeping the price stable there. I have a couple of notes here. I'm going to have a big AMA with them in 2.5 weeks. We're going to have a lot of new updates. I'm just staking, guys. I'm just staking for 6, 7, 8 months time, and because it's a juicy APR. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, have a wonderful week, have a wonderful month wherever you are. Till the next one, I do I and you do you. Goodbye.